and I was one. Maybe transfer person transfer you.
More transfer you.
Oh, you transfer you. Go will transfer, I guess so. You really do. Because when you don't transfer you shame.
Die. I'm not gonna responsibility. Yeah, birthday, Vicky.
Yeah.
Yes.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday,
So come to the name I
okay. I'm going to yam now.
Good, Yamaya. I'm going to quagga.
We're 4,000 great count on Portugal.
Perfect, thank you.
All right, fine, girl. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Baby girl. Bye-bye. Oh.
I want to see the blue.
Abi, come on, bye. Who are you? I'm a call my hingy crack and gonna call me a year belly. No, this one be a year. Do code when I was on you. I couldn't call. Yeah, baby, you know. I need to get a story. All this stress, man, when you just sit down. See, he used to be like this. I'm here with Mr. Lubam. Okay. So, guys, today. Needing you dive for that introduction, she just
I'm a radio chain. We're mood now. Oh, cut. Oh, to a fire there.
Guys, thank you so much for joining. Good morning. Where you're watching me from. I'm here in the studio editing my YouTube new video. So guys, today I'm here with Mr. Lubam, and as you can see, I'm here with Mr. Lubam. Okay. Thank you so much for joining. And you're welcome to my live stream. Let me know what you're doing right now. What are you using this Monday to do? Are you off? Are you on holiday? Are you home just eating, enjoying yourself? And God bless you from Western Samoa. Have a good day. And you too, Anne. How are you?
I got one 16 years, one I'm going to
Bidiamboro. When he go flow. So guys, today I'm here with Mr. Lubam, and as you can see, as we're here, they just brought in new bike. Jason, good morning, sir. What do they want? How you doing, Jason?
This bike, I know this is the owner. He just bring it now. I met him online. I don't know him, he don't know me, but we met online, see my good work. and he showed me this bike, the photo of the bike.
Oh.
Hey, Ruben, I want to transform this bike to look like a power.
Hello. Yes, man. Good morning, man. Fine, thank you. Yeah. No, that day for studio here now. We studio so fine. I did here. Hello? What's wrong? For my studio now, for Pakuwa Kohosene. You want the van? Mm. 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 You mean, is it portrait or what? Can you? Okay, yes. Yes, yes. Okay, always na space on the question yala.
Jesus.
No, okay. Now, if you are recording a video for YouTube, and if it's gonna be one minute, you should put it landscape. Sorry, you should put it on portrait. If it's gonna be more than 1 minute, you should put it landscape. What is that? And we'll look at somebody's studio, no? Somebody's studio. Okay. So now, call me. I'm on video. Let me just show you something. Turn it to video. Let me. Thank you so much, Justin. Thank you guys for coming. I'm sorry, Haga. I need to attend to this call. So now, yeah. This is your phone. This is your phone. Now, when you want to record a video that is more than 1 minute, you put your phone like this.
That one is even worse.
No, listen.
Okay, so it's on.
Once you put it like this, it's landscape. When you put it like this, it's portrait mode. So now, when you put your if you put your phone like this will give you that Viaroka full in the screen, like I was talking here.
Try my screen. I want to show you something.
Okay, share.
Again.
An African boy.
Can you see my icon?
That's pain.
Maybe.
Is it working? Can you see my icons?
No. Hey, black woman. Now, video roll who edit you bear. Okay.
Share screen.
Hey, don't.
Okay, so that YouTube nigga. For example, let's say like this Sarah's message. If I record this,
Okay, if you record it, then put.
At a time when they need direction. So Shannon look black. So I do like.
Cast screen record, cool, yeah.
And had to have been aware. I don't know.
Cast screen record, cool record, yeah.
That's screen record.
Okay, now you lose screen record, yeah. Obey you in the ear and back. Would I hide the TV and then no tondo? But still.
It will not work. It doesn't work.
No, it won't work that way because it's screen record and the video is not on that. What do you call it? On the format we will record it, so it won't give you that VNA.
So meaning
it won't give you that 9 by. Say it's 9 by 16, Abby. It won't give you that 9 by 16 format.
Download the whole thing.
Except you download the whole video and edit it.
Wow, that's too much MB. But I think I'll start doing that because I want to start having videos.
MB, but could I use one Nick and Black MB? Are those MB not MBs?
That's 2.5.
MB is MB now. I came close to your house today. One fatam ka yawoga.
So me
Kete ngusunwe. Kete ngusunwe. She you can do it. Kete ngusunwe.
I don't see Kete. Who told me her mic? Kete.
Yes.
To look unique and different. You don't like your design. This is a Chinese bike. You don't like the design.
Instead of looking over na
custom this.
Oh, kwaso hinyo I'm
Ugo kitchen.
Yeah. I said okay. I said you should send me the photo of the bike. He sent me the photo, and we talk online. I think he paid me in the sum of 100,000, right, sir? Yeah, he paid me 100,000. And I said okay.
How far now?
He give me advance of 100. We conclude on something 100 and something.
Well done.
Something 180, 170,000. Something like that. Then he paid me advance of 100,000 that he will bring the bike. He just arrived, as you are saying.
So basically, what are you going to change on this?
You're now, I will not tell now. Yeah. No, I will not tell now.
Okay.
I'm still thinking.
Yes,
Since
ma'am.
I see the bike, I'm thinking what I will do with the bike. Yeah.
Turn it
Turn it
me
to
I
something
do.
else. Yeah.
the way he wants.
Yeah. I will
Your boy did.
dismantle the bike.
Wow. I'll see you next week for you.
Okay, no wala. How your husband?
He's fine.
Okay.
Like,
Married.
there you
There we are available.
All right.
All right. This is a young chick. Young, no. Never know what to say. Okay,
Cut it off and then rebuild it my own design.
You bring it
Yeah,
back
yeah.
to life.
Since I'm seeing the bike now, I'm thinking what I will do with the bike. Yeah.
Wow.
Come on, guys. This is the video, guys.
I seeing by what you have done so far, I've seen
Oh, my God.
people see that bicycle bike.
Okay, the BMS call.
Yeah, that
No.
BMS.
BMS are not here, but I can show you. For now, I don't have BMS.
So, nigga, une wono hatara osalaga. Une kola Facebook. Une the one la arrange workshop naga.
Yes.
It's more standard. The whole kind behind car. So the places are way arranged. But here when you come, there's no proper arrangement.
That I have finished, but those this is BMS core.
Okay.
Yeah, this is just a frame.
Okay, the video all on 1 minute.
This is just
okay,
a
but
frame,
that lecture
frame of
has
the
been up.
BMS.
My fan question.
Which school?
Yes, you.
Yeah, from the scratch. BMS are not bikes. You have to build them from the scratch to finish.
Wow.
Yeah, this is another BMS cup, you see. That is the logo of the BMS cup because it's the most sold bike in my shop. That's why I give it there on my wall. Yeah.
Oh,
No,
so how much do you sell it?
BMS at 350,000. Yeah, I've sold like I've sold more than 30 BMS cups. So this is the frame.
But do you put like new engine?
Yeah, new brand engine on it. Yeah, let me show you something.
This is great.
If you see this material, this is what we do BMS cup with. This pipe, those kind of pipes.
Oh, they are very strong.
Yeah. I will give you a video, a full video or new brand of my BMS cup video. So you will do the editing if you want.
Wow, this is I love this.
Yeah.
So maybe I will come and build one BMS.
Yes.
Because I love the bike. I love the bike. Because for you to do this kind of thing, and did you learn this thing anywhere? Like,
yeah, I learned it I was a mechanic.
okay, you were a mechanic.
Yeah, the idea came when I'm a mechanic. Then, you know, in this life, you have to find your destiny, what you are meant to be in life. So, you know, I start as a mechanic. I was a mechanic, normal mechanic.
Normal fixing the engine.
Yeah, engine mechanic.
I like the way guy name move short. Can you use one special stabilizer?
I was a mechanic.
Okay, you were a mechanic.
Yeah, the idea came when I'm a mechanic. Then, you know, in this life, you have to find your destiny, what you are meant to be in life. So, you know, I start as a mechanic. I was a mechanic, normal mechanic.
Normal fixing the engine.
Yeah, engine mechanic. Yes. I did not learn some things like that. But I have a gift in me. In this life, just find your gifts and you will realize who you really are. So I found my gift that I have this gift. I don't normally learn things. When I see something, when I do a thinking of it, with a minute, with just some time, I will figure it out and I will start doing it. And believe me, I will do it very professionally. You understand? That's why you see, I'm a welder. If you look at my weddings are very strong and very professional.
And smooth.
Yeah, I'm a painter. I'm a painting a very professional painting. I do panabiting and scratch of the paint and I do the body works. I'm a constructant. You understand? I'm an inventor. I have invented many bikes. Recently, you will see on internet, you will see a bike trending, which is the army bike.
The one with the army.
The army camouflage. Yeah.
The other person
will
see
the other side.
Yeah.
I bring that bike. But if you go on my page, you will not see them again because the army call when the bikes are trading, I got some calls that say, hey, this is not right. You don't have to post the army camouflage. But I said, yeah, I post that camouflage and I paint the camouflage in the way that the people I get the bike from, the people that give me the work, they tell me to paint it the camouflage. That
the
was
way they want.
Where they want it to be, and that's just not misunderstanding. So I removed the post on my page, and but the bike is still there. You can go search.
But the bike was looking fine.
Yeah, it was very, very okay. I built that
like
from the scratch, from the beginning to finish. Yeah.
At least I would love to get it.
No, I will send you. I will give you some pictures. You will see, and you will see how I'm building from the scratch.
This now, have you getting any support or any offer or to travel abroad? Because a lot of people, when they start this kind of thing, before you know, they are not in Nigeria again.
Yeah.
They'll leave Benue, maybe go to Lagos or go somewhere.
So
why do you choose to stay here, not to go anywhere?
You see, there is something. Me, I'm a kind of different person. I have many opportunity to travel abroad, like many of us. There's a lady I used to know before. He's living in the UK now. When he
lady I used to do. What? About Bayo Nyara.
What? Yeah, chicha.
Although them doing okay, kind of Jones had name ya came on now the door. Hey, no, you can. Let me see 2,000 and then check out you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, power panel good. 1, 2. Come on, I'm going to do double kill, so do dash. 1, 2. Most of the young one, you can't imagine now. Okay, ka wuku ya
she saw me online. She said, Luben, is that you? I'm seeing your videos online. You are doing a great job. Luben, you are doing that? I said, yes. I sent him some of our video. So when that already came to Nigeria, he visited me. She visited me here the first time. He said, Luben, look, I visited Nigeria. I'm going with you. Believe me, you know. I was there, hello. I'm not the kind of person that wanted to live in and abroad. I have
You can visit.
I
and then
can
come back.
visit and come back, but
Oh,
I have
beautiful.
I have knowledge. I have things I'm seeing here in the country that my people don't really know. Believe me, my people don't really know. So I want to show them the light. I want to show them what I can use those scrap, especially those scrap metal you
Mike
say
Nika,
the scrap
Tommy
yard.
Dolo. Woo!
I want
Ngoya
to
Mgbada
show
Town,
people,
Mike
show
Wankari.
Nigerians in particular, in fact, Africa in
Africa,
particular,
yeah.
that those scrap metal we are selling to the Western people are not just scrap. We are calling them scrap, and the Western people are buying it.
To do other
do
things.
many things with it. Believe me, those things are billions of naira, and I've seen that. I will make that happen. So I don't need to travel abroad. I can make. He said, Luben, Nigeria will not pay you on this. Nigeria don't support all those things. So we are. Let's go to abroad. I will take you to the UK. We can do it better there. I say no. If you want to support, give me a little money. You know, I will
Yes,
see
okay,
make it
can-
here.
can do
She
so.
said, Luben, are you? She that girl tried to take me abroad. I said no. He just offered me a lot of sum of money, and
No,
then
it's
I
possible
do
that
all of
also
this, and then I'm still doing it here in the country.
I think she tried.
I know she tried. No, she's a girl I used to know before.
At
Very
least-
strong friend.
At least we'll clap for her because
Yeah,
she has done a great job.
Yeah, and Gwemo, if you are watching this, that's for you.
Oh, Wemo, you have done a great job.
Yeah.
We're giving you a shout out. So that's the African dream because so many people they have this talent and then they have run away. They don't want to stay in Nigeria. But we are here to promote our Africa because
Yes.
okay, now here in Ben.
Very strong friend.
At least we'll clap for her because
Yeah,
she has done a great job.
Yeah, and Gwemo, if you are watching this, that's for you.
Oh, Wemo, you have done a great job.
Yeah.
We're giving you a shout out. So that's the African dream because that's the African.
Let's go to abroad. I will take you to the UK. We can do it better there. I say no. If you want to support, give me a little money. You know, I will
Yes,
see make
okay,
it
can-
here.
can do
She
so.
said, Luben, are you? That girl tried to take me abroad. I said no. He just offered me a lot of sum of money, and then I do all of this, and then I'm still doing it here in the country.
I think she tried.
I know she tried. No, she's a girl I used to know before. Very strong friend.
At least
Very, very strong friend.
we'll clap for her because
Yeah,
she has done a great job.
Yeah, and Gwemo, if you are watching this, that's for you.
Oh, Wemo, you have done a great job.
Yeah.
We're giving you a shout out. So that's the African dream.
White. Yes, white.
Yeah.
Because so many people they have this talent and then they have run away. They don't want to stay in Nigeria. But we are here to promote our Africa because
Yes.
okay, now here in Benue State, we are. Oh, Wemo, you have done a great job.
Yeah.
Because so many people they have this talent and then they have run away. They don't want to stay in Nigeria.
Oh, brother Bernard.
In Nigeria.
Brother Bernard, Father Bernard, way.
But we are here to promote our Africa because
Yes.
okay, now here in Benue State. Okay. Done a great job.
Yeah, and Gwemo, if you are watching this, that's for you.
Oh, Wemo, you have done a great job.
Yeah.
Because so many people they have this talent and then they have run away. They don't want to stay in Nigeria. Now here in Benue State, we are here to promote our culture, our talent. This is a talented young man, Luben. You cannot, this kind of thing come in here. Come from Boko.
Yeah.
You cannot. No, me, I want to talk about this particular
Also, Wala.
What's the one?
Guy, Jolo.
Tell me.
A bike. Steve mine in Benue State. Now I want to talk about this particular bike. Looking at this bike here, what are your plans for this particular bike?
This bike, if you like, I will send you a video. This bike was a purely scrap. I got this bike from Kogi. Someone from Kogi. I don't know him. He don't know me. Then he called me online that, hey, Luben, I have a scrap bike. What can you do with it? I've seen your good work. I say, okay.
My
let
new
me see the
video
bike.
is
Send
coming
me the
up, so
photo.
guys,
I say,
I'm
okay.
editing.
I can make that
So
bike to
today
become
we'll have to
something else,
edit
whatever.
together.
So I give him a lot of photos of my bikes that I already built. Then he selected a particular one that he want this bike to be like that. Someone in Kogi, I don't know, I don't even know his name. Then he said, okay, Luben, I will like you to turn my bike to become like this. He showed me a particular photo. This bike was not like this, was a purely scrap. They had charged him. He said, okay, the engine have damaged. I said, okay, don't worry. I will order engine online. This is a brand new engine. A brand new engine. We ordered it online.
Already online. It's okay. You know, like
Online that, hey, Luben, I have a scrap bike. What can you do with it? I've seen your good work. I say, okay, let me see the bike. Send me the photo. I say, okay. I can make that bike to become something else, whatever. So I give him a lot of photos of my bikes that I already built. Then he selected a particular one that he want this bike to be like that. It's someone in Kogi. I don't know. I don't even know his name. Then he said, okay, Luben, I will like you to turn my bike to become like this. He showed me a particular photo. This bike was not like this. Was a purely scrap. They had charged him. He said, okay, the engine have damaged. I said, okay, don't worry. I will order engine online. This is a brand new engine. A brand new engine.
do other it online. I hear King James.
We ordered it online.
We ordered it online. So he now sent the bike in Kogi there to Benue State. They delivered this bike to in Makodi. From Makodi Park, they called me. I say, okay, I'm in Boko. They now bring the bike here in Boko. So I'm customizing this bike to what I. So I say, okay, I'm in Boko. They now bring the bike here in Boko.
Oh, that is not too wrenchy.
A brand new engine. So I'm customizing this bike to what I call a cafe racer. This is just, it will look like a power bike when I'm done with it.
Okay, cafe racer.
Yeah, we call it cafe racer. You can check on internet, on Google, YouTube, cafe racer. You will see my bikes, my cafe. Because I have more than 20 cafe racer.
That's your name?
Yeah, that is a name I give the bike, cafe racer.
That's your name.
Yeah,
that one is coming from Bluebird Construction.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
No, but there's a lot of cafe racer. The cafe racer is the kind of design.
Okay.
A lot of persons have built cafe racer. But believe me, you tap cafe racer and you are in Nigeria, you too will know that someone in Nigeria is doing cafe racer. They will refer you to me.
Okay, so now, what about the electrical work? Do you do the electrical work by yourself?
I have boys. And some things like electrical, I have my boys that do my electrical work. I have boys. And when I reach the electrical level, because there's a lot of customization. If you are doing custom bike, there's some person want their bike to start with a fingerprint.
Okay.
So those kind of jobs like that, we have my
so
electrical people. That we come and do those kind of work with you.
Wow. This is great. You can see a lot of good things are happening in Benue State, Boko, Nigeria, Africa. So Africa is great and Africa is going great. As you can see, we are making progress in Africa. So let me still move around with Lube and see how he's doing the construction work. And now let's go to this power bike.
Okay.
This power bike. Now, the power bike is beautiful.
How much you no go we no more present you janja. He do lands up there. So one natural man flow.
Yeah, my llama, the wool, my llama, even know me. But all this I'm gonna.
Already now. So what is the man, the owner? What does he want? How did he want to change? How did he want to change the bike? What does he want to change the bike to?
All those
Funny.
blabber violent Pittsburgh. All those in it. So we didn't have to deal with it.
Does he want to change?
You can come again on that question.
All right.
One video more use software.
Yeah, the power bike is beautiful already.
So to me, the power bike is strong. This is a Honda power bike. This is for all those cowboy and all those big boys in America, one-man bike. So where is it that they want to change this bike again? You know, I can see you have done some construction here.
Yeah, you know, the power bike may look beautiful in your looks because you are not a customizer. But in we customizers, especially, we don't have anything like, no matter how beautiful bike is, we can still make it more sweeter. Understand? So the power bike owner, he's from Lagos. Then he bought this power bike. He's a biker. That he wants the bike to look so like this is a power bike. This is the Honda.
He brought this bike from Lagos.
Yes, from Lagos, to Benue State.
Wow.
This is a Honda Shadow. This is what we call Honda Shadow. If you know Honda Shadow is a very big bike that have a very big standard. You understand? Then he want me to customize it, to change it into a bike we call Bomber. We call it Bomber. Bomber are those American riders that you will see them tied Van Down in their head and sit like this. Yes. So I say, okay, I can turn that Honda Shadow to a Bomber for you. And he wants me to, I believe that my son's body in the US. So he wanted to look American design. No, now, America are doing a kind of design that they don't have back seat. They just have a front seat and very rugged bikes. So I said, I can do that for you. And that's what you see. When they bring the bike, it was very big. I'm chopping up the bike. I'm customizing it. And today I'm in the painting level. That's why I miss all my paint. I'm in the painting level now to paint the bike.
So now, are you going to change this?
Yeah, I have done a lot of work on it already.
Are you going to change this?
No, they say to be tall. No, already I have. The bike was, the seat was here like this.
Okay, so you have pushed it.
I have pushed it down already. Now, if you see how I sit on it, I already been in that shape already. I have the shape already. According to the man size, customizing bike, I will customizing in your weight. If you are now taller than this person that give me this bike. If you are the guy, I could have make it more taller for you are tall.
Okay,
so I have customized this bike now to suit up the rider. You understand? So if he sit on this bike, it will suit him. I have already tested him. He come and test it. I see he ride with him. He like it like this. And so now doing the painting level. Yeah.
So now, you I can say you are, when it comes to bike, you are jack of all trades. Because looking at, this is the construction, this is the tank.
The tank of the power bike.
This is, what is, this one is it?
17.
Yeah, those ones are the fenders, the custom fenders I have customized. You see this?
This looks like a bucket.
Very good. It looks like a bucket. You know, this is a bucket. This normal bucket we use to fetch water here in Benue State. Yeah, you know. So I buy this bucket on a scrap yard. But this is now a side cover of the bike. If I paint this in, you will not recognize this as a bucket. Since you are seeing the line, if I paint now, you will not recognize it as a bucket anymore.
Yeah, I say this is just a bucket. Or somebody has changed
bucket,
to be a side cover
of
a bike. Can you imagine that? I saw a DSTV something. That one too, I'll ask you, let me know what you're using DSTV dish to do.
Yeah.
The guy is doing a great job. Please, if you're watching this video, if you have a bike, if you want to customize your bike, come to Bluebird Custom, where you can construct, manufacture, and do any kind of thing you want to do. He's a good guy. He's a humble guy. He does not raise shoulders. He's a good guy. So if you're watching this video, if you want to make your bike anywhere in the world, just bring it to Boko, Benue State, Nigeria, in Africa, where you can see wonders. You must not take your bike to America or anywhere. In Boko here, things are happening. So let's...
like you can see this Oga is coming from a very far. You can ask him yourself where he's coming from. It's not from Benue State, though. This one that bring this...
That's a brush.
I'm hearing there were very few were temp HSI, Homeland Security folks, which are they're great folks. I'm not knocking them, but that's not what they do specifically. We do protection, and we're trained for that. So I'm hearing that. I'm also hearing that the counter sniper team that they had a problem seeing over the elevation. That's why I didn't engage right away. Come on, but that's not the problem. The problem, well, it's the problem, but that's not the problem is. Where the hell was the aerial visual support? Why was there no helicopter? Why was there no drone? Why was there no FLIR? Why was there no thermal? Forward-looking infrared. How the hell is the crowd acting as the freaking counter surveillance?
I know, if that's the best asset you have is random Trump supporters telling police that there's a guy with a gun. What technology are they deploying? They're bragging about they have all this new technology. I didn't see it.
Hi, nigga. Trump should make the front pages. Huh?
That social media to go and be solving problems. You get what you know, Mr. Mass John, you get what you know as you did here. We don't know. You get just as people they come here now, they ask me about TikTok. You get
Biden or Trump? Well, it's hard, isn't it? Donald Trump is 77 years of age. Joe Biden is 81. Now, I never thought I'd hear myself say this, but come on, prostate cancer. Do you think Joe Biden knows he's president? I think he thinks he's on a tour of the White House. He wakes up every morning going, it's very reasonable for $20, isn't it? Access.
For my younger he kwa gonna ya younger pan the volume you know. She do it in loudspeaker. But yeah, no maybe got hardware issue. Maybe younger game day come bit na. You can't much room pavilion for your toga. Yeah, my phone man this my double volume na. Loudspeaker kwa hinde volume na ha. He game allo at this level no ne kwa one ring hanger.
Angolo guy. No update for it.
And phone car update the door.
I'm checking out.
Or will they just try and weekend at Bernie's that shit?
when you see grass on the road like this, some branches, grass,
Motor spoil for
what does it
front.
mean in your country?
Motor
In
spoil for
Ghana,
front.
There is meaning. And if you don't know the meaning, you can get in serious trouble. You can get in accident. Comment below if you know the answer. Why in some countries, grass...
Hello guys, thanks so much for joining. It's just sometimes when you want to edit and then you want to go to Facebook, check things online before you continue with your editing.
Who was attempting to assassinate Donald Trump has now lost his job. A lot of people have heavily scrutinized the fact that he basically had the shooter completely lined up in his line of sight, but didn't take the shot. This information may or may not be true, but if it is, the person in this photo is known as Jonathan Willis.
Fantastic. How's everybody doing? Good. Very first thing we're going to do, as always, we're going to give thanks to our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Are there reporters in this room somewhere? I can't see through the light. Is the mainstream media here? If you're here, I want you to hear this. Hear me. I don't care what you say about me. I don't care what you do in your newsroom. I don't care about your plans and your schemes to bring this nation down with your Democratic friends. Why? Because Jesus Christ is still on the throne.
First step is to stop.
Yeah.
First and foremost, you need to stop.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So there's a CBT center.
Okay, no, just up.
Down.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir.
My show don't make me enter gym. Now I'm into this train and see the kind of exercise we should do.
Hey guys, so this is the part of how you
Yeah,
can
video for
create
them
a
for.
talking anime video, just like what you're seeing on your screen. So we'll continue from where we stopped in the part
Don't
one.
have to
Just
say that
click on the
before.
options and
Before
change
you
the
even have
spots
to.
at the cash
But
register.
I have that.
So just play around with it. It should be the narrator of this movie. So
but he just arrived now.
So,
This is
sir,
the,
sir, sir,
I think he's a
sorry,
personnel,
sir.
he's a police. The way I'm seeing
Sir,
here.
where are you coming from, sir? Nasarawa State. So you brought this bike all the way from Nasarawa State?
The speaker.
Okay, sorry. So you brought this bike all the way from Nasarawa State?
Yes, sir.
Wow. So where did you see him? Where did you?
It's online.
Online.
Yeah, online.
And you traced him from Nasarawa to Benue State, Boko,
Yes, sir.
to fix your bike.
Fix my bike.
Wow.
We change it to different look.
Lube, you're on another level. Wow, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for believing in African or in our own Nigerian dream, you know. Because some people, when they see this thing before now, they will run, say, I'm making money abroad. But Luben said, I'm not going anywhere. This is where I will belong. This is where I will stay. And people like you patronizing him, this is great. Thank you so much. I believe he will change your bike the way you want it to be. So now, Luben, tell me, what are you going to use this DSTV dish? This is a DSTV dish of constructors.
Yeah, the DSTV disc. When I find this in the scrapyard. So there is something in DSTV disc that we don't know. This is a galvanized pan.
Yeah, pan.
You understand? It's a galvanized pan. We have galvanized nail. We have galvanized metals. What really happened in galvanized metals is that they don't rot. The DSTV disc is something we put on the in our zinc.
In our houses.
Yeah, in our houses. So there's a rot of rain lemon on it, but the way they design this pan, it did not rot. So we construct and we don't mess with such materials. But this material will not rot. So anywhere I want to use it, where I will put it outside in a rainy place to make things like strong things, I will cut the pieces in it. When I buy it, that's what my attempt at buying it.
Okay.
That we use the pan for constructing.
Right, because this thing does not rot
anywhere you put it, you will not see it rotting.
Oh.
It will just be shiny. It won't matter how water touch it, it will just be shiny.
Oh.
Like if you see the bike I built for army, that army bike was the materials I used there. It was this old drum. This old drum that was still galvanized, and I used 2 drums there and this old bed. This iron bed that has spring.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. I will give you the video.
Hello, welcome, Billionaire Mindset. Let's grow together. How are you?
Video.
The one that will be
Yeah. Give me the video. Yeah, I will give you the video. You will see the video. I will show you the video of that old bed I used to build that army bike, and old drums, some pieces of local irons, some galvanized. That bike really gave me help, but I think I got it done and it was very okay. It was very nice. The people see online, yeah, it was very nice. Yes.
So guys, as you can see,
Yeah.
I'm here with Lubem, the guy who is doing wonders. So now, if somebody wants to check you, search you, where can they find you?
Okay, if you want to get me, first either you can call me on this very number 070.
I'm doing good. Where are you streaming from?
6233.
Where are you watching me from?
5847.
So I'm editing my next YouTube video. So
You can still call me on this number 07062335847, or you can reach me on my YouTube Lubem TV.
Oh, US. Oh, that's good. How are you in the US today? Are you a YouTuber?
There you will see my work. You can even learn how to build bikes. I am doing. I teach people how to build bike from the beginning to finish. Even though you have 0 skills, you can check on my YouTube channel. You will see there, Lubem TV. You will check there, or you can get me on Facebook, Lubem Constructions, and you will get my link there.
Okay, so now,
Did you know if you hold down the screen on any video, it will turn it into
I hope
motion. So if you have the link.
Hey, it's Tucker Carlson. One thing we know for certain is the United States is going to be.
now, thank you very much. So do you have people that you are training?
Yeah, I have a lot of boys I'm training, but some are not here. Understand? They went to school, but those little boys there, they are my boys. Those little boys here, some of my boys I'm training. Those boys, what they can do, you can imagine what those boys can do. They have skills.
You mean those
Those are my boys. Those little boys you
do my
see here,
charger on the
they
table.
can do better. Those boys can do, not even.
so they're another upcoming
Yeah, those are another upcoming people. And when I see children, especially those little children selling scrap metals. I'm against selling scrap metal. I don't want children to sell scrap metals. We don't sell scrap. Scrap are another level of technology. You can use them to do better things with. If you look all those foreign countries, they used to press even clean cars. We call here new cars. They compress them, grind them, use this metal to do something else. Believe me, I'm doing that already. I'm doing that here in Benue State, Boko. So if I see children like that, I pick them somehow, I pick them from that place, bring them here. If I think that you are not still my thing, if you are trustworthy, I bring you.
Work is great.
So that we cannot read forever. If in my 70, 80, 100, I cannot be able to do this.
Yes.
So those people,
You have to give it to another
we give these people will make Nigeria a better place. So that's how I've started it already.
So at least let me just
No, you're
can
right,
I test
tomorrow.
at least one of
Go.
the bike?
you want to test one of my bike?
Yes, at least let me
Okay,
just test
one of my bike. No problem, you can test one of my bike.
let me have the feeling
Yes.
of the
Yeah,
For the VNA.
of the
All right, this TV when I said they disturb me every day.
Oh yeah. Okay. Tested and trusted. Okay. So you see, I've tested the bike and I enjoy the bike. So bring your bike to Luben and you see what Luben can do for you. So let's watch out for more videos.
Nigeria.
Like this. Please, if you are new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and let's see your comments. Let me know whether if you are going to bring your bike to Luben to do some crazy construction for you. So bye for now. So guys, today I'm here with Mr. Luben.
Edit. Nice to meet you too. You're the one that got salon, yeah. And anything will look original chill, baby. Just need to come call him here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time still day long. Alright guys, this is where I will draw the curtain of this live streaming, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your contribution, and bye for now.